Morning, everybody. It is Sunday. I'm at Lowe's again. John's sleeping in, and I'm going to get some work done today. I love the morning time. I love waking up early. I woke up at 6:30. No children home, just me. I just like to be by myself early in the morning. I love it. So that was $87. I hate to spend money, but that's $87 to paint the kitchen and refinish the floors, and that ain't nothing. Nothing for that, but it is still spending money. Yeah, the other thing that makes this project more affordable is John and I split everything 50-50. So $86 is really $43 for one of us. So partnership, healthy partnership can really help in life. Sharing someone you want to be with all the time, someone you want to share everything with, someone who pulls their weight. You know, these things are really nice. But also, girl power, you can do it by yourself. But it is easier with a partner. But it's harder with an undesirable partner. So, bad partnership, make-do partnership, inadequate partnership is the worst. By yourself is better than that. But excellent, good, healthy partnership is even better than by yourself. So, that's a hierarchy. It's just a gray, but I think it's beautiful. It's gray, y'all, and I'm into it. I'm not recording that much today because I feel like listening to music, and I can't record and listen to music at the same time. But I am digging it. I'm really, really digging it. Do you like it? Do you like the gray? I know it's basic. Do y'all like it though? It's clean. Look, I don't know. It'll be nice. Anyway, yeah, gonna caulk around the window, you know, just... I knew the kitchen was going to come fast once we got to this point, and it's coming. It's good. Green and the gray. Good morning again. I'm up early to come over to the house and beat the heat today. And I found a cucumber. This cucumber bush is gonna do really good. I'm gonna eat you for lunch. It's 10:30. I finished the wall paint. It's already so hot. So I'm gonna call it for today. Tomorrow, trim. Probably tomorrow, trim and crack filling on the wood floor. And then after that, I'm gonna be sanding and then finishing. So maybe tomorrow, trim, crack filler. Next day, sanding. Next day, maybe more sanding. Next day, floor finish. Just kidding. I'm chomping at the bit. I want to finish this house. So let me get started on the trim today and just keep this fan right on me. Finished the trim, y'all. I amazed my own self. I knew this kitchen was gonna come fast. I know I said it, I'm gonna say it again. Once it gets to the point that it's ready to have final coat of paint and finish the floors, it comes fast. Like once all the giant holes in the walls are fixed, electricity's in, once all the crazy stuff is fixed, paint and floors comes fast. And that's where your biggest visual impact is. So it is like bam, it's happening once it gets to this point. So one of the only things I have left that will happen before we move in and everything, obviously I'm refinishing the floor, but I need to paint out the windows in this room. The windows in the kitchen are some of the in best condition of the house, so they're definitely going to stay for now. So I just had to paint around the windows. That's kind of the last biggest thing. So I gotta paint all that. That's gonna take a couple coats. Everything that's brown needs to turn white. You can even paint the rope for the pulley window. All right, I'm out of here for realsies now. Buy some groceries. I'll holler at y'all later.